We are here. All right, so we are in a resort view room at the beautiful Grand Floridian, and we walked in. We're pleasantly surprised. We got one of the upgraded rooms. So right when you walk in the door, you've got a beautiful little table vanity here with a bench underneath. Honestly, guys, the details in this room are out of control. Hello. There are birds everywhere for Mary Poppins. We even noticed the bench has birds on it. It is absolutely to die for in here. So when you first come in, you've got the bathroom, double sinks, very, very big vanity. Honestly, probably the biggest vanity I've ever had at a Disney resort, because it's laid out differently than a lot of the other ones. We've got some nice storage underneath. Beautiful marble. I had to laugh at the white little rug there. It was nice on my toes when I walked in. But again, the details in here are out of control. So you've got beautiful artwork everywhere. Over here you have the toilet area. There is a separate door that will close off. Tub shower combo. Of course, your H2O products are still here. Beautiful like gold detailing. I think it's gold, I guess. Then we have that this way. This room is a connecting room. We don't know the people on the other side, but the other two rooms that we have, we believe they are connecting next to it. But again, just take this in. It is absolutely breathtaking. This blue is out of control. So right here, they've got a nice little nook for the Keurig coffee maker. They have coffee pods, and I believe our mini fridge. Yep. So this is what Disney is going to, unfortunately. It is a beverage cooler mini fridge, so that means it doesn't get quite as cold. Again, got beautiful dresser here. This guy is going to flip into a twin size sofa bed, so this room does sleep up to 5. Again, artwork is absolutely gorgeous. And then the closets are actually over here, which is beautiful. Queen size beds. They do have these small little mini tables on the outsides of the bed, which is nice, with some outlets underneath that also include USB. And here would not be deluxe resort without the robes in there. And then I'm going to guess our safe. Yep, safe is in here, as well as, ooh, we got a hand steamer and blow dryer is in there as well. So in case you're looking for that in the bathroom or wondering where it is in the closet itself. And then we'll walk this way. Like I said, we have a resort view room. It is a crummy, rainy day out here, unfortunately. But we are in the Boca Chica building, building 8. And like I said, we've got a really nice balcony. It's skinny. We are overlooking the smaller courtyard pool here, so not the main pool, but the main pool is going to be that direction. And the other 2 rooms that we have are right next door, there and there. And then I believe, looks like these are going to stay. We can't undo those, but again, our friends are in the rooms over there. But it is absolutely incredible. Like I said, they're calling this a resort view. It is definitely a pool view, if you ask me. Can't complain about it. But that concludes the tour of the beautiful Grand Floridian in one of our updated Mary Poppins rooms. So beautiful.